Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Virginia sales tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser. Then in the address bar, type in business.tax.virginia.gov and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the Virginia business tax. In order to log into your account, you can use your iFile login section. Choose your account type from the account type section and then enter your account number. After typing in your account number, you can enter your user ID within the user ID section. Then enter your password within the password box and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Virginia sales tax website right away. In case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on Forgot My ID or the Forgot My Password buttons to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Virginia sales tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.